76 Streets.
Rise of the machine. This is Jack River. The big place on earth right now is Jamwest Speedway, Little London, Westmoreland, Jamaica. This is madness. Madness. The track is getting heated at the moment. This is Jack Rival, the best, the #1 car show in Jamaica. But Mr. Timo, bring this to the table. This is Jack Rival. Rivalry time. Remember, the cars are making a lot of noise. Who's gonna take it out? This is Jack Rival.
You know me that work? You never perfect straight. Straight this here. Yeah, man, this. Yeah. Okay.
Watch it yourself.
Anything else come dead.
Awesome. There's room for improvement. A lot of room.
Oh, car is not only the machine, it's the driver too.
Remember me tell you, if I never meet a most you, remember me tell you.
Jamwest Speedway. Who will take it to the finish line at the moment?
Anyway, I thought I can come in.
You're running so off, I'm going to tell you the time for Michael. Michael, 15.21, 4 seconds. Blow the Honda away. Quarter track, look at that! I can't believe this. The markings. Time for I'm going to tell you the time for cement. The time for cement. And the time for cement is 14.34. The BMW is so aggressive on the old like Tegra. Look at it. Look at that. The BMW is not giving up. I'm going to tell you the time for Winston. Winston is the winner. 14.241 seconds. It's in. Walters. Kurt is in the right lane. So the time for Kurt's at the moment. The time for Kurt, 14.819 seconds. the car perform at his best this afternoon? Tell you the time. The time for German, 14.486 seconds. One more. Can't find it. I want also Togwell. The time for Togwell is 13.774 seconds. Nice start for the Subaru. For the Toyota. I don't think you can get that. So the time for Ryan. The time for Ryan. In the right lane. 14.067 seconds. Right left. See what happened now. Can you do something better? I'll get back in time. I love the fire. The time for Francis in the right lane. 12.693 seconds. Right. Dennis is so aggressive in the left lane. Look at that, Elite Lifestyle family. Dennis represent Elite Lifestyle family. And the time for Dennis, 13.03 seconds. Should be sound loud. Roger, but the Honda Civic, he's not playing. But Roger, I'm gonna tell you the time for Stewart. The time for Roger. Wow, look at this time. The time for Roger. 12.484 seconds. And the time for Stewart. 12.485 seconds. Wow. The beast is on track again. The fat beast is on track. Seymour Anderson is on track. I'm gonna tell you the time. Seymour Anderson, 12.276 seconds. Seymour Anderson, 12.306 seconds. So Seymour Anderson is your winner. Look at that little blue car. Look at the little blue car. Scott in the right lane, 12.599 seconds. And the time for Bert, 13.616 seconds.
Mountain, car number 390, final call, Ian Benders, car number 1.
Wow. And the time for Gary, 12.8487. Powerful machines. Saba versus Paypal. Who will it be? Red versus blue. Or purple. Any color you want to call it. Wow, look at Postman. That is Postman. Oh my God, I can't believe the time for the Honda, 11.88 seconds. And the Yes, man. Pick up where you left off. I'm gonna give it a time.
The boy Spence car number 42. This is the final call to be in the lead.
I hope Glenroy can catch that. If Glenroy is good like gold, he can catch that. I'm going to tell you the time for Glenroy. Wow, look at that! Glenroy! The time for Glenroy is 11.6. Mitsubishi, look at that. Look at the one in the right lane. You see this, right? I'm gonna tell you the time for the red. In the right lane. Time for Bradley. Glenroy Alley. You're needed now. Now people. Richard Nicholas. Fernandez Boys. That is my car. The crocodile is out of the swamp. Look at that. Don't give up. And the time for the crocodile. The time for the crocodile. 11.086 seconds. My Jesus. Now. Jesus Christ, man. Look at that! Pure smoke! Wait till the smoke clear. I'm gonna tell you the time. 9.955 seconds. Make some noise. I'm gonna tell you the time. Individual. I'm gonna tell you the time for Omar. The youngster is clapping. The time is 10.6. In the right lane. Miguel is in. Roper is in the left lane. Miguel is in the right lane. Roger Lewinson from St. Bestrew, Elite Lifestyle Family, having a wonderful time. Jamwest Speedway, London, Westport and Jamaica. Fathers, 876 Streets. Sport and Adventures Fag Limited. Foster is in the left lane. Marsh is in the right lane. The time for Marsh, 15.22 next. From Rodriguez. All 14 seconds, guys, are needed now. All 14 seconds winners are needed now. The time for Rodriguez, 15.0. Wonderful start from Rolando. Christopher, I don't know what happened to Christopher. But Rolando, the time for Rolando is 17.3 seconds. Left lane. Walters is the winner. Jamal with an aggressive start. Ferger is not playing with the trap. The time for Verger, 40.2. Ken Roy is in the left lane. Romain is in the right lane. Ken Roy. Brown is in. Dennis Brown. The immortal Dennis Brown. Dennis Brown break out. Wow. Up next now.
seconds.
10.8. 3 seconds for Doyle. Glenroy, 10.3. You're needed. Line up. Ivy. Rodriguez. You need to rerun all 13 and 12 seconds. At the time, 10.15 seconds. Now, here we go. The car is Roger. 12.79 seconds. Make some noise for Roger. Westmoreland, Jamaica. Please do remember, time is against us. Now, Carniel is in the right lane. How to get a good start? Next in line.
God is good, so I'm still smiling. Here at the end of Drag Rivals 4, it was a great event. We got some rain in the latter part of the evening, but we wrapped up pretty much. 7 out of the 8 classes that were being, in competition today. It was an amazing weekend for a lot of racers. We saw some really good races, competitive racing, some personal bests. We had our first 8-second Honda, all-wheel drive Honda by Mr. Lyndon Bardowell. A lot of personal bests, and as I said, the racing was very competitive. So here, evening, just our closing statement, we have rain coming down on us again, but nothing discourages us anymore. Nothing stops us at this point. We keep pushing. We'll still keep delivering the best we can to carry the most exciting and safe drag racing that we can to Jamwest Speedway. So thank you for everybody for coming out. Thank you for all the racers who stuck around. The rain came down on like 3 different occasions and we dried the track, but when we got down to the faster classes, it was just too risky. So we decided to split the payout and everybody went home smiling. So thank you everybody for coming out. Thank you for all the support, for the coverage. 876 Streets as always, D Monty, Watt Performance, Boosting, all our sponsors, and the effort of the Jamwest Adventure Park staff of helping us with getting everything ready for this event. So as we look forward to the next event on November 24th, hopefully by that the weather patterns would have changed, as we're really coming out of a rain season right now. Everybody who came out here today, we know they are just loyal supporters. We're about 120 competitors, and the stands were full. So everybody knew the possibility of rain was right there, but yet still they came out because they know the show we had planned to deliver, and so we did. So thank you. It means a lot to me to know that despite the odds, you guys ride with me. So I'm very appreciative of that, and we'll continue to work, you know, extremely hard and delivering a good show. So the rain is upon us, but as I said, you know, I'm very grateful. We ended this one, so I know everybody is, you know, somewhat pleased. So look out for the next show, Drag Rivals 5, November 24th. We'll be right back here doing an awesome job. We're expecting more competitors and more good vibe and just more intense racing. So 876 Streets, we could have never ever be more thankful and grateful for the help and support that you've given us. So thank you very much, and again everybody, we're here no matter what. Nothing discourages us at this point. So thank you all. Have a good evening.